Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome saying not working problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome, and first of all, we need to open the Google Chrome setting. We can click on these three dots on the top right and then select settings. And in the settings, we need to choose privacy and security. Okay, and we have to scroll down until we find the site settings. And then scroll down again, and then you have to choose additional content settings, and then you need to select on-device site data and make sure you allow sites to save data on your device. And here you can add sites. Click on add, and you need to type in accounts.google.com. Okay, and we're going to click on add. Okay, and after that you need to close your Google Chrome and reopening it. And if this trick is still not working on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to go back to the privacy and security, and then you can click on delete browsing data, and we're going to delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and also the cache. And I'm going to click on delete data. Okay, and after that you can close your Google Chrome and you can reopening your Google Chrome. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Google Chrome saying not working problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.